Yo, welcome to part 6. I'm back. I just got refreshed. The bird's still there. I'm giving my friend some ammo. Welcome to the ammo nation, dog. Okay, he's just sitting in a comfortable position right now so that he can get it. We're not trying to harm it. These things are harmless. These ammos are very harmless. You can't kill it, you can't hurt it, you just push it. See? Let me show you. See, the bird is sitting there because it's getting heated. Here's the ammo. It's totally harmless. It's yeah, you know. Okay, guys. Come on, dog. Just shoot it already. Guys, the bird is not moving. I'm getting frightened. Oh, wait. It just moved. Okay, it's moving. Oh, my. Okay, guys. If people come out, he's on his own. You got that, dog? You're on your own. Because you keep missing. Bro, if you miss this last shot, I'm out. Bruh, he totally missed. This is the last ammo, guys, so make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow, make sure to comment on how our videos are so we can fix it. Oh, and that was the last ammo. Guys, yeah, they're out. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to tell us how the video was. If it was fun, we'll keep making more. If it was boring, then we'll change. Guys, have a blessed day. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace to you all. Peace.